First witness to white male with camouflage blue shorts, no shirt, black backpack, vandalize city equipment. I'm going to be at North Lemon Avenue and 1st Street. He's walking away from me. I'll take another unit. And he's might be a use of force. Then get a supervisor 51.
Unit 10-3.
Hey, police department, you got to talk to you about the damage you just did. Got to talk to you. All right, he's walking toward Main Lemon. I'm just walking with him. He's refusing to halt. Dude, you're detained. You can't just walk away.
I bet you're on fast enough.
Dude, we got a bunch of... All right, going to be in a foot pursuit, southbound North Lemon.
Southbound North Lemon, foot pursuit.
He's reaching into his backpack. We're going in the alley. Assault on Leo, assault on Leo.
Assault on Leo.
Put your hands behind your back. On the ground now. Put your hands behind your back now.
Assault on Leo, you're not going to hurt me.
Yeah, just try to hurt me.
Oh, I tried to hurt you?
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, they're
Thank you. I appreciate you. Alright, I got one male detained.
One.
Half of a block.
And you're dead.
South of Main on Lemon.
You know that, right? See, look, you're scared like a little
1.5 blocks.
I'm not scared of you. I'm gonna wait for another unit, buddy.
I know.
Stand up, please. Have you heard it all?
1220, you advise you're in an alley.
Yep, 10-4 behind 1488 Main Street. Stand up. Stand up.
1488 Main Street.
Dude, stand up. Stand up.
Little pussy.
Stand up.
You know who I am?
I don't know who you are.
Son of man.
Okay, stand
You're
up.
gonna know.
Get up, man. Stop dragging me away.
Just you little.
That's right. Look at me.
Kick in the mouth.
Stand up. Stand up. Why are you trying to... Are you okay, Jeff?
Are you okay?
Stop, dude. Why are you trying to wrap him
camera,
up?
people. Get it on camera.
Why are you trying to wrap him up?
And you're gonna pay for it. It's gonna take 10 years.
We'll be 1074. Hey, you're bleeding, just so you know.
Oh, you're bleeding.
Oh, sorry.
Am I bleeding? You.
No, not you, me.
If you didn't have backup, boy, every one of you would be done.
Why are you acting the way you are? I just had to talk to you about breaking.
Now you want to be a little cunt. Equipment. I put a sign over, dude.
Alright, so
Get your keys out of my
this
face.
time we're going to figure it out, alright?
Yep. Oh, you are.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're gonna figure it out in the next life. You want the King of Angels, you know, the Son of Man. You all die.
All right, let's. Here we get him in the back. All right, are you gonna go in the back of the car?
Yeah, if you carry me.
Okay. Well, we don't need to carry. You can be an adult and walk.
Okay, perfect. Maybe I'll walk. Stop dropping your keys, pussy.
Mike, go get cleaned up. You got blood on you.
Yeah, it's me. Oh, you're bleeding? Am I?
Is that backpack that I threw under your truck?
Yeah.
It is?
Go over there.
Thank you. I appreciate you stopping, man. Thank you so much. Well, I appreciate it.
I probably should back out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's the one you threw at me. Thanks. Thanks, Sarge. No idea. I've seen him before. I just don't know what his name is. Oh, he does.
Bear up. Bear up. Bear up. Son
Unit
of
clear
God.
10-3 Antenna 1, clear 10-3 Antenna 1.
Thank you.
Dip my fly up.
Bro, he's over in the parking lot over here on by Whole Foods. He's kicking the signs and he broke one of them, the parking sign, and then he kicks the machine. I'm telling him to stop, and he won't. We get a foot chase, then he turns around, throws the backpack at me, and then this guy pulled in, which is going to help me, and then he just gave up.
My dick. Fucking mouth.
So what do you? I mean, so what kind of force did you use?
Nothing. I'm saying for a possible use of force, because he told me he wasn't going to.
Then you just lay down?
Huh?
You just lay down? Or?
No, as we were walking to the car, as you guys rolled up, he wrapped up Shapiro's. Yeah. He wrapped up Shapiro's legs.
Straight up. Unless somebody drives with him.
Stop it. All right. Here, hold on. Someone else on there. Watch his mouth.
About 4 more of you.
Hey, hold on 1 second. Hey, get a spit hood.
You're all gonna die, you know that? I'd kick you in your face, but I'm not gonna spit on you. Be a little disrespectful. Be a little disrespectful.
I want a spit hood on him so he
Be a little
doesn't try and
disrespectful on it.
Yo,
Pepper, are you on call or are you on main
first.
limit?
What, for kicking over a plastic sign?
that way he's not trying to fight when we get him in.
Pepper.
For kicking over a plastic sign that said no parking?
We got the spit. I don't know.
It's on my car door.
I'll get up and walk the car. Let me up, get up.
We're past
I
that, Barrett.
promise.
Do you know him? What's that? Do you know him?
Rip my pants off me? Dick sucking faggot.
What'd you take today, man? You're not usually like this.
4 Loko last night.
I was gonna say, I've talked to you before,
People, I'm trying to do your.
and you've been good to us before. Roll him that way.
Stop pulling off. It's the king of kings, boys. You're in the bag.
Alright, let's grab it over.
Just let me stand up and I'll get in the car, dude.
713.
If I didn't want to get in, get mad.
You just kicked a cop?
I didn't kick, boy. Die. You know that?
You going to jail or you going to hospital?
I'm going to jail.
I'm going to see the phone guard.
Well, let me talk to Sarge, I guess.
Somebody's got to ride with him.
Huh?
Alright,
Well, I mean, it's all a body camera, but
he's gonna break it with his head. So let's do something else. We have to strap him in. We gotta strap.
I wouldn't do this
I know. Okay.
because of the.
I'm just wondering if we need to go to the hospital instead of jail.
Did you use any force?
No, he got down and gave up right away. As soon as he turned the alley, I slowed down and he had the backpack ready to go and he swung it at me and threw it and it missed. That's when I was like, okay, assault on Leo. And then this guy pulled up. As soon as this guy pulled up, thank you, appreciate it. As soon as he pulled up, the guy gave up.
Random guy?
Yeah. He's like, dude, I was ready to help you out, so.
Is this his?
Yeah. But I'm
Open this trunk.
sure. I just got to go back to my car and get pictures of what he did over there. Are you okay?
Yeah, it was just a scan. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you fell.
No, it's just a scan.
What's that?
Did he throw anything?
No, I'm good.
Did he throw anything? You honestly?
Oh, no, he threw his backpack at me, but otherwise, because I bladed the corner and he was waiting for me in the alley.
Okay, so you just toss him.
No, that's it. We have his backpack. I haven't searched his bag yet. I suppose I'll talk to you real quick.
Yep.
Shapiro has property from him.
Okay.
That's been looked at already.
You just gotta keep an eye on.
Muting. Try to batter me with that backpack.
Okay.
Resisting.
Yeah, resisting, assault.
Yeah, assault on Leo. And then I got to go look and see if he actually broke that sign or if he just damaged it.
Well, let's let Larry. Yeah, get with Larry. Show him where it's at. He's
Okay.
gonna write that part of it.
Okay. Do you guys have a wet wipe or like a just sanitizer wipe?
I have
Thanks. I think stuff was dropping out of his bag, but I don't know what he dumped. I was just focusing on his hands.
this one is the one that's already open.
All right, end recording.
Right, Paul.
He's done, so.
Deactivating.